If you've ever wanted to make someone crave your attention to the point where they're willing to beg for it, the key lies in creating emotional withdrawal and amplifying their desire for you. This approach relies on psychological push-pull techniques and emotional conditioning that make your attention feel like a rare and precious commodity. Here's how you can get someone to beg for your attention. Step 1. Give them just enough. The idea is to give someone just enough attention to keep them interested but never fully satisfy their desire. You can do this by being emotionally available at times and unavailable at others. This creates a sense of urgency and makes your presence feel like something they need to earn. The inconsistency in your availability keeps them emotionally engaged and constantly seeking more of you. The key is to keep them wondering when they'll get your attention next. Step 2. Make your attention feel like a reward. When you decide to give someone your attention, make it feel special and earned. Don't just shower them with affection or validation without purpose. Instead, give them your focus when they've demonstrated positive behaviors or when they've been away from you for a while. When they realize that your attention is something they need to work for, they will start putting in more effort to get it. Over time, they will begin to feel like they need your attention, and they'll become increasingly desperate to get it. Step 3. Create a sense of emotional distance. When someone feels like they could lose you, they begin to value your attention more. Start to create emotional distance by being less expressive or less available. Withhold validation or affection at times when they expect it, and let them experience what life is like without your constant attention. When they feel this emotional loss, they will begin to beg for your attention to fill the void you've created. By giving just enough attention, making it feel like a reward, and creating emotional distance, you can get someone to beg for your attention. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.